Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Laura, and today I have some fall and Halloween decorations that I wanted to show you, so let's just get on into it. So I'm first going to start with the items that I got at Dollar Tree. So one of the first things I got was this cute little, it could be used for like a vase or a jar. I'm not really sure exactly what it is, but I think it looks really cute. It has the little fall leaf on it, and I thought that I could maybe use this for flowers. They did have some fake flowers there, but I decided I didn't really like the combinations of what I found. So I figured I like to get flowers at the grocery store if they have them. And so I figured I could put them in this little tiny vase if I happen to have some that week. And if not, I'll just probably set it just like that, either on a table, like my dining table, or a coffee table or something. So I thought that was really cute. So that was from Dollar Tree. And then I got this really cute little ghost. I'm actually gonna put this stuff back there so you can kind of see them. So I got this little ghost, and it's really cute. It like, I don't know if you can see it, but it like rocks back and forth. It's really, really cute. I thought that would be nice on a shelf. I have like a big cabinet kind of built-in shelf in my living room, and so I think I might put that on there. That was just really cute. Or maybe like even a windowsill, or something like that. And then I also got this little white and black pumpkin. I kind of wanted to do like a black and white theme for the decorations that I found. I don't know if that's going to be possible. I couldn't find any like black pumpkins. I'm sure people have seen they have like the velvet pumpkins, which are really cool, but they didn't have any black ones. They had like silver and like a mauve and a green color. So I decided to just go with this one. I don't have it in here. I think it's in my car, but I did get like a black and white, like a small little vase. I got that from Kohls. So I may either insert a picture here, or I'll just link it down below. So there's that. And then I also got this cute little ghost craft. I don't know if you can see the picture. That's what it's supposed to look like over there. I thought this was really cute and a good idea to do with if you have a little one. I have a 5-year-old, and so I try to incorporate crafts with her, and I was planning to do like a fall craft video, but she hasn't really been super interested in doing them, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that or not. But we've kind of started a couple things. They would definitely be like budget friendly crafts. The supplies that I got, I didn't spend a whole lot of money on, so maybe stay tuned for that. Like I said, I'm not really sure yet. And then the last thing I got, you've probably, if you watched any of my other videos, you've probably seen this. I have this in my kitchen, but it just says, hold on, I can't read it when it's like that. Autumn is here, pumpkin spice and cozy night. So I thought that was really cute. Little sign to go up in your kitchen. That's where mine is right now. And that is all of the items that I got from Dollar Tree. That was where I went and got the majority of my items. They had a lot of stuff, but I was a little bit disappointed. Like I said, I wanted to do kind of like a black and white theme, and they just didn't have a lot of stuff. And a lot of the items there had a lot of sparkles, like the glitter on the outside. Like they had some really cool pumpkins, but it was so glittery, and honestly, I don't really want to bring all that glitter in my house. I think I have something, I can't remember, it's from Christmas or Halloween, that has a ton of glitter and it just gets everywhere. So I kind of decided that I wasn't going to get the glittery items this year. And I guess I should have said I went to Dollar Tree. I tried to go to the pop shelf store here that we have, but they were closed for some reason. I did go to Goodwill. I went to Kohls, like I said, and got that vase. And then I'm trying to think where else. I did go to Target today, but I didn't get any decorations there. I did really want to try to go to Big Lots, so I haven't gone there yet and looked around. I still might. I'm not really sure yet. I forgot to look at all of the items that I already have to see how I want to kind of decorate a little bit. So I'm not sure, like I said, if I go there, I'll just kind of, you know, add in those items. I'm planning on doing like a fall clean and decorate, fall/Halloween, because a lot of this stuff, as you can see, is Halloween. And then I got these little owls. So this I got from Hobby Lobby. It comes with 2 of them. My daughter colored this one. That's why I like it's really black and dark. But I did this one, and I thought this was a really cool, like another crafty type thing you could do with your child. And they made it really easy. It came with the markers, and they even had pictures of like how to color them. I don't think I had showed her the picture at that point yet, but those are what those look like. And then I found this at Goodwill. They didn't really have a lot of decorations. I was kind of disappointed in what they had. It was really small. I don't know. I've never gone to Goodwill to try to like thrift decorations. I was kind of disappointed, but I did find this. It like lights up, this pumpkin. I think it goes, I don't know if it just stays. Okay, there, it looks like it's not blinking, so it just lights up, which I thought was really cute. This was only 99 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for that little guy. And then I also got this from Amazon. So this all came together. So I got this, fall little like banner situation here. And then it also came with 2 sets. Sorry, this is tangled. I had to put, you have to put batteries in it. It doesn't come with batteries. So I went ahead and put some batteries in it. And it's like this really long, it's like leaves attached to each other. And then if you can see, they light up, which I thought was really cute. I'm planning on putting this either, I think I have 2 spots because it came with 2 packs, so it came with 2 different sets. So I'm planning on putting this around my TV and then possibly up by my patio door. So the leaf with the lights, the leaves with the lights, because it came with 2 packs, and the fall sign all came together. And I think right now it's like $10 on Amazon, but there was like a 45% off coupon. So I think it was around $5.50. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for all of this. And then one of the last things that I got was, I got this earlier this year, but I got this pumpkin candle. I've already burnt it. It just smells really, really good. Actually, when I put it out, it makes my whole house smell good. Sometimes I'll walk in and it will just make my house smell really good. This was, I think it was, hold on, let me check. I paid about, I think I rounded up for this one, like $4.50. But it's actually $16.50 right now. I bought this from a boutique that my friend has, and she was having a 75% off sale for candles, and so I was lucky enough to snag this one. But if you really like it, you could also just pay full price, but I thought that was kind of a lot for a candle, so I try to wait to see if there's like any deals on, you know, things like that. So that is all that I got for my pretty small little fall haul / Halloween. I guess most of the stuff behind me is pretty much Halloween. I think I'm just gonna lump the decorations in together, because even though I guess I could decorate for fall for September and then October do Halloween, but I feel like it's just, time goes so quickly, and the month, it seems long when you think about it, but it's really pretty short, and I probably won't remember to like get my Halloween decorations back out and decorate. So like I said, I'm probably just going to decorate for both and just make it easy. Although I might like I said, do some Halloween crafts with my daughter, and then I might like put those out as decoration if I, you know, really like what they turn out to be, or, you know, whatever that looks like. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of that. I'm going to link everything down below in the description box. If anybody has any ideas or suggestions or things that they got. Oh, and I also wanted to say that I spent, all of this was less than $20, except for maybe like if you had to buy the candle full price, obviously the whole thing wouldn't be less than $20, but I was really excited. I wanted to do this on a budget, and I wanted to try to go like to $20 or less, and I think total was around $19.24 minus tax. But anyway, like I said, thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one.